Get ready. Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, inefficiency, corruption, and red tapeism still continue to persist in government offices. A scheme sanctioned will not be put into effect even 2 years after it has been sanctioned. So, this complacency should be shaken and they should see that whatever capacity is sanctioned is fully utilized, whether it is in the defense department or in civil factories, whatever capacity has been sanctioned should be fully utilized. And even for sanctioning a scheme, the government of India and the different departments take too long a time, and this kind of red tapeism should be cut down to the minimum. Particularly the emergency should make them cut down this red tapeism so that quick decisions and quick actions are taken. Regarding agricultural production, the President has stated that there is an increase in agricultural production. It may be true to some extent, but the increase that has been registered is not because there is an increase in the yield per acre, but it is because more land has been brought under cultivation. So, this should not make us feel complacent that there is an increase in agricultural production. The incentives that have been given to the agriculturists are not many. Floor prices that should have been fixed for agricultural commodities have not been fixed, and there is no such incentive to the agriculturists. On the other hand, you see the prices of consumer goods, particularly industrial goods, going up, whereas the prices of agricultural commodities, for example, rice, pulses, and cereals, are coming down. So, in order to obviate the difficulties that the agriculturist is put to, the government of India should declare the floor prices, which will give an incentive to the agriculturists to produce more. And the other thing that the government of India has not done successfully is this: they have not implemented the land reforms legislation that is now being enacted in most of the states. It requires an amendment of the constitution, and therefore I urge upon the government of India to bring forward in this parliament before the present session ends such a measure in order that land reforms are given effect to. A quarrel is now going on between different states with regard to the sharing of waters and with regard to power projects. This should be decided in the interests of the nation as a whole, and there should be properly constituted commissions to advise on how water resources should be utilized by different states and how best the power projects should be started. there is the categorical lashing out at the government of Odisha by Mr. T.T. Krishnamacharya.